interest rate this week by 0.5% to stall rising inflation. This is the largest increase in 20 years. It's Friday, May 6, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. This huge interest rate increase may affect the market with a downturn in potential buyers, as many may have to reassess their purchasing power. That could spell pricing repositioning for many sellers for the market. Stay tuned. Meanwhile, the Annapolis inventory climbed to 93 homes for sale, with 31 new properties listed for sale since last report. 40 homes are coming soon, and this is almost double since last week. 8 homes are temporarily off the market, fewer than in past weeks. 8 homes went under contract in 6 median days, which is significantly down from recent normals. 28 moved to pending in 4 median days, up in contracts, but down 1 day under contract. 52 went to settlement in just 5 days, up to a new median of $571,350,000. Rental inventory dipped to 17 available properties at a median $2,700 per month. Most rentals continue to go under application in just 7 days. Tenants are still being challenged to have best credit, rental history, and clean applications while they compete. If you are thinking about buying a home, be sure to get our spring home buyer guide at www.kineticrealtyinc.com and click on guides in the navigation bar. That's this week's snapshot for the Annapolis Real Estate Report for May 6, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, be well.